Chance the Rapper said it's his birthday.
Yeah, people, we have a talk about this. Yes, Sunday was the carnival. You don't know down here. You see me, I said they are going with one bag of something. Omarian, they are going with one whole for something. A whole heap of other popular artists and the whole of patrons them and who go support. But what we are going to talk about this morning, yeah, today, yeah, in idea, yeah. After Chance, get the chance. Me talk Chance the Rapper, you know. Chance the Rapper get the chance. Zin. And him forward come to Jamaica at the Exodus Carnival. For full joy himself. And all our vibes. Right now a backlash I take him. Yeah, what you say? You wonder? What you wondering what I'm talking about? Yeah man, backlash I take him. What you mean? You know what backlash mean. They want to talk hard sort of something about him actions. And it's a thing to talk about. Because the amount of lash, if Jesus get the amount of lash where he might get right now. Because on him Instagram live, you don't know. Big bad rapper. In a yard, in a Jamaica. You are going to turn it on. You are going to make the people them see what go on. Yes, I hear what go on now. When I comments them and I sit in them with them chats, all kind of things with them talk. Them a backlash them and I say, boy, you're married. You're married in a youth. So how you behave so? Why you go on so? You know if you go on so. I don't know if for some sour woman or some bitchish woman or whosoever. But all man, I say where the ring there, how come there a carnival, a wind up. It sounds like a grudge to me still. Oh, Chance the carnival a wind up. A full joy himself with woman. And him is a married man. Alright my people, when you tell me if that right or wrong. You don't know Reggae Vibes Media. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the first time you come over here so, or the first time you hear my voice, yeah, it would be nice for you to subscribe and hit the RVM notification bell. Yeah, so Chance, you get the chance. You heard strong. You fall out, you made them all and say, boy, you make a album dedicated to your marriage. Singing all about getting married and what married life would be like. I know, you know what I mean? You want for bask in that type of life there. Now you're there in a dance hall, in a soca, in the streets at Dashangalang. A Dashangalang. Yes, a Dashangalang. A Dashangalang. Eh? Yeah, Dashangalang, eh? Eh? Get the people on Instagram mad all over TikTok. Eh? So, all of the people where they have backlash chance. See, him get the chance. The man them and the woman them. So, when you feel like same wife did know, same I come to Jamaica. And she would have come with him too. Remember his wife, you know. Zane and Jamaica, the ideal spot. You see me I say? That one spot there, yeah, that one place in the whole world, where everybody want to come. And once they get the opportunity, they might fly in. So tell me, people, you not think his wife no saying they are come? And when him turn on him life, you not think say his wife I watch? Come on, man, I could all she all text and ask for the ring there. What you say? Oh, you mean I could all she all a text and them? So you don't know, remember say, a different world, you know what I mean? You have your wife and your husband material and, you know what I mean? You go there and have a little fun, you see me and say, you know what I mean? And I like the man did that, you see me and say, I like him gone with her on one part. You know how carnival go. You with the writer song and go on with yourself and one bag of girl the writer song, one bag of dash out go on, two toes, the wave shift. The girl and where they are party with them, they way down so. Or way back so, you end up way over there, so you wonder how you end up move from which part you did there. End up a party with some different set of girl. At the end of the whole thing, you could have never see but nobody where you party with. I saw them places there. Zin. But right now, them a backlash chance. I swear to you, them as, hey, the man get the chance to come a yard and the man couldn't stay in yard, he have to come a yard, come all a vibe. Zin. And him get the chance with Dashangalang. Dashangalang. And come on. He might go Dashangalang. You see me I say? He Him could have there force him wife and say, boy, baby, come no, baby. Baby, come no, man. And she said, nah, me nah go. Because one bag of girl, come on, if she did come, man, would have want dash and go along with her too. You see me I say? Yeah, man, chance could have a hold on pan her. Yes, you know, when time Cardi B. Eh? Come here. Eh? Eh? And take her, hey. The man just watch it, just chill out and just know, say, yeah, my wife there, they are going to full dry herself and nice. So people want to comment and tell me what to think about this, you know. Chance wrong for dance or dash and galang with the female in the streets and don't wear him wedding ring and I behave like him and I want married man. Or it alright. A fun him have. Him a full dry himself. So you can't look on it like say. You know what I mean? He might go sneaky away with it later on and go with her and them thing there and mash up the band between him and his wife and the trust. Zane, so I want to hear your honest comment, you know. Yeah, man, I have a comment right around there, so. So people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, Beer Vibes, Beer Fun, Beer Things, and I'm out.